This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 29, 2023. It's currently October 15, 2023, 6:35 p.m. Eastern Time. The S&P 500 at the time of this reading is 4,327.78, and the shuffle video we're about to play for you for the December 29th reading was created on October 5th, 2023 at 9:48 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. All right, so the overall theme of behavior, there's a significant reversal here. I also want to point out that the Ace of Swords is significant. This is like a multi-cross reading congruency. The Ace of Swords was a low significator on the one-year cluster, December cluster of the one-year reading. It also appears here at a low significator place here on the 28th in the one-month reading. And then it appears here on the 29th in the one day. So it's cross-reading congruency. A lot of price change should be covered. You should be able to play both sides of the market. And my sense is that you would close a short position in the midst of a notable decline from the pre-market into the open. There's a notable reversal, though. It's going to stand out on at least like on a multi-day scale. Behavior around the highest high, we have some flat kind of behavior around the highest high. We move sideways in a key technical resistance level. And behavior around the lowest low, there's a cash out opportunity there. A lot of price change into the lowest low. Looks like the lowest low is probably in the following month of January. There's a lower price level, it looks like. But you'd want to cash out at this lowest low here. All right, so before we go any further, guys, just want to make sure you guys know you could have watched this video as early as October 16th if you had early access on our website, Tarot for Traders. You get it here under our services, SO Meta Posts. Click here to subscribe. $29 a month, $249 for the year. Gets you the earliest that you can get any of our posts that come out on YouTube. They come out as much as like over a month in advance on our website. So if you're somebody who likes to plan, which you can totally do with SO Meta analysis, pick the best trades and plan accordingly. You know, then SO Meta, then the early access is a great way to give back, and you get what you need out of it. Much appreciation, everybody doing that. So in the pre-market, we have this decline. We probably open notably lower in the pre-market, and then we have a notable decline early in the pre-market, followed by a prominent move higher and a full retracement of that move into a low right around the open, where there's a notable trade opportunity. I would say, looks like opening up a long position in the midst of a decline. Like right around the open, probably right around the open, before a big move higher out of the open, which will take us back to a high. Now, in that first half hour after that high, we might have another opportunity in the midst of a decline to open up a long position, but I would try and catch it before this big move higher right at the open, because we might not have another opportunity too. And so I want to close that long position when we have like this unexpected move to the upside that starts out of the decline and moves. It's a move higher between 10 and 12, and we create this peak between 11 and 12:30 that we sell off from pretty notably, taking us into another low for the day, midday, somewhere between 12 and 2. And then in the midst of that low, we have another rally. That rally offers an opportunity to open up a short position, which you could then close, I think probably in January, in the first trading day of January. Notable move higher right around 3 o'clock, and a trade opportunity at a peak or crest at the end of the day. It's probably the same high that we had at the like in the pre-market or whatnot, but this is an important price level here at the end of the day, and it looks like probably lower price level in the coming trading day. And that's the S&P 500 for December 29, 2023, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where our angel investors of the channel are donating 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities, making an army of people transmuting competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We're transforming the world around us for the better. And then 5% of the profits should be donated back to the channel, help support the channel, say thank you. Leaves you with 90% of the money. Make sure to spend that out of love. As long as you follow those rules, it makes you an angel investor of the channel. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold for doing that, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.